Hi, this is Charlie Calvert. I want to show you how you can use SkyDrive from live.com to share a folder and a document between uh, two different accounts. So I happen to be signed into two accounts now. This one is called Charlie. This is Charlie Calvert's account, and over here in Firefox there's Charles Calvert's account. So I'm in Firefox signed in as Charles Calvert, and I'm in Chrome here signed in as Charlie Calvert. So two different accounts, and what I'm going to do is share a folder and a document between them. I'm going to use SkyDrive to do it. So I'm going to open up SkyDrive, and you can see that I have a number of folders here available inside of my SkyDrive account, and you can look inside one of the folders if you want to, or you can just go back to the root here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into one of the particular folders that I have, and then inside of this folder you can see I have numerous other folders and even a couple documents in here. But I'm going to go to the create area here, and I'm going to create a new folder, and I'll call it test 03. Okay, and now what I want to do is share that folder. So I right click, I choose share, and I can put in the email address of my other account. I can add any notes I might want to add. I can decide whether the person I'm sharing it with can edit the document and whether they're required to log in before they can view the document. Okay, so I'm going to do all of those things, and then I'm not going to share my email address with you, so I'm going to put things on pause for just 1 second. Okay, so I just pushed the share button after typing in the email address, and now this folder is shared. Okay, and that means my other account has received an email saying that this folder has been shared with them. I come into the folder that I shared, and now I'm going to create a document that I will share. Because I'm placing it inside of a shared folder, I don't have to do anything more about sharing it. Just placing it in a folder that is shared is enough to share it automatically with the person with whom I shared the folder itself. So I'm going to go to create. I'm going to create a new Word document. I'm going to call this test document 03. I'm going to go ahead and create it, and then it will automatically open it up in edit mode inside of Chrome here. And I'll say, this is my new shared document. Okay. Then I'm going to come here to the File menu. I'm going to choose Save. And then I'll just leave it open here for now. Okay. And then I'm going to come over here to my other account, the Charles Calvert account, and I would find that there's an email that's been sent to me. And that email would contain a link to the folder that's been shared. So what I need to do now is open up that email. But again, for privacy reasons, I don't want to open up my mail account here in front of you, so I'm going to put it on pause for 1 second. I'm going to open up that email, click the link in that email, and then the next thing you will see will be me inside the folder that has been shared with me. So I'm putting it on pause now. Okay, so now you're finding me inside of the folder that's been shared with me. And you can see the chicken scratchings up here show that I'm actually in Charlie Calvert's SkyDrive Bellevue College Test 03. Remember, this is my Charles Calvert account. So the chicken scratchings showing me where I am is actually pointing to the folder on the shared account, the account that shared the folder. As you know, we opened this folder automatically from the email, but if you ever wanted to get back to it, you can come over here to the shared option over here on the left of the screen, and then if you click on that, you can see all the folders that have been shared with you and get back to this document or this folder at some later time after you've opened it once from the email link. So I'm going to open this document, and you can see that there's the text that we typed in. I'm going to choose Edit in Browser, which will allow me to edit the document live in the browser. If you have a modern browser, you'll be able to do this. And I will add something to this document, and then I'll go ahead and save it. And now I'm going to come back to my other account, and I'm going to close this document, and I'm going to open the document, and you can see that the change that was made is now evident inside this document. Okay, so that was all I wanted to show you, just sharing a folder and a document between two different accounts and allowing them both to edit it. It's Charlie Calvert. Thank you very much, and come back some other time. We'll learn some more about some other technical feature. Bye now.